My husband and I had 2 speed twins, and I just had some Vance and Hines exhaust pipes fitted, and I'm just going to make a sound comparison to show the difference. It's very difficult to get the sound difference on a smartphone, but the Vance and Hines sounds a lot deeper. Obviously it's a bit louder, this sounds a lot deeper, and I did notice a bit more mid-range pull out of it. Could be a placebo effect, but the next job will be to remove the snorkel and put in a DNA air filter and a booster plug. So I'll let you know how I get on with that. Bye.